Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the could not load object problem in WhatsApp when opening PDF file. If your WhatsApp is not loading PDF documents, don't worry, I got you covered. Okay, let's start. See, this is the problem, could not load object. Okay, first open your Google Play Store and search now here WhatsApp and check on your WhatsApp app update. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, back. Second step, go to your phone setting and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and scroll down and now search here WhatsApp. See, this is the WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp, scroll down, click on storage, clear check. Now clear data, back and click on the permission option. Now click on the all permission. Allow all permission. Okay, back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.